Why is it that no matter how hard you try, your to-do list never seems to shrink? Do you feel like you're always busy, but never actually getting anything done? If this sounds familiar, then you're not alone. Why your productivity sucks and how to turn it around fast. The real problem isn't that you're lazy or that you need to work harder. The truth is, your brain is constantly being hijacked. Social media notifications, endless emails, and that little voice saying, "I'll do it later." These things kill your focus, and without focus, productivity is impossible. So how do you fix this? The answer is surprisingly simple. Let's break it down. 1. Stop the dopamine overload. Every time you scroll through TikTok or Instagram, your brain gets a quick dopamine hit. It feels good, so you keep doing it. But this makes real work feel boring in comparison. The fix? Try the dopamine detox method. Take a break from social media for just 1 hour before starting work. You'll be shocked at how much easier it is to focus. The 2-minute rule. Ever put off a task because it feels too big? Here's a trick. If something takes less than 2 minutes to start, just do it. Most of the time, the hardest part is getting started. Once you begin, momentum takes over. 3. Work in sprints, not marathons. Forget sitting at your desk for hours. Studies show that your brain focuses best in short bursts. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Your focus will skyrocket. 4. Control your environment. Your surroundings can either help or destroy your productivity. A cluttered desk? That's mental clutter. Too much noise? That's a constant distraction. Fix this by creating a minimalist workspace. Clean, quiet, and distraction-free. 5. Sleep and hydration, the underrated hack. You think you're just lazy, but in reality, your brain is exhausted. Lack of sleep kills your ability to focus. The fix? Get at least 7 hours of sleep and drink enough water. It sounds simple, but most people ignore this and wonder why they can't concentrate. Final thoughts: productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stop letting distractions control you. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your life changes. Now, here's the challenge. Try just one of these hacks today, then come back and tell me, did it work for you?